My name is Jason Reynolds, and I am the author of Long Way Down. I'm from right here in Washington, D.C., and it's interesting because I was a kid who unfortunately didn't read many books because I didn't find books that directly connected to my life. And so it was through rap music and the discovery of sort of rap lyrics that I found my path and my way into the world of poetry. And that poetry evolved over the course of 10, 15 years into a way for me to tell my own stories. And from there, my life sort of changed. Therefore, it's no surprise that Long Way Down, this book that means so much to me, is written in verse. So I'm fortunate that Long Way Down is a part of the Kennedy Center season focused around the human journey. And when I think of the human journey, it's interesting because there is the idea of resilience, right, persistence. But there's another element that I don't think we discuss often enough when it comes to the human journey, and it's empathy. The truth is that it's all of our first times being human. Never done this before, right? Therefore, it would behoove me to extend a little grace to my fellow humans because I know what it feels like to be a human. I know how difficult it is. I know how easy it is to make mistakes and to not know and to be afraid and to be prejudiced. I recognize that because it is inherently human, right? And so I think that one of the most beautiful parts of the human journey, especially when we have the courage to tap into it, is the necessity, right? It's a survival necessity for who we are at the core, and that's empathy. And so I'm just excited that Long Way Down is a part of it. And I hope that Long Way Down, which is a story about resilience, is also a story that sparks and evokes an idea and conversation about what it means to empathize.